How to play music through bot on Discord. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can play music through a bot on Discord. Discord is one of the most popular platforms for communication among gamers. It provides various options such as creating a server, creating rooms to play or chat. Also, a very useful function is adding a bot to your Discord server. This bot can serve you for various things, as for example play music and the like. How? Open the server you want to do this on. Click on the server name located in the upper left corner. From the menu that opens, select the Server Settings option. From the menu on the left side of the screen, select the Add Directory option. Here we have to find the bot we want to use. I will choose the green bot. We have done adding the bot in the previous video, which is in the description. If you haven't, watch it. Once you've added the bot, go back to the server. In order to be able to play music, we must be in the audio channel. Click on one and in the typing field type play. Choose the first option that is offered to you and then type the name of the song. And that is all. As you can see, the music has been played. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Discord tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.